And birds sound nice, don't they? I thought I'd do a little live stream just to show you what I'm up to with the wheels. But nobody's here yet. I also wanted to see if having the chat this way around. Oh, howdy, udge udge. Yeah, having the cast this way around means the chat stays at the bottom, up to now anyway. But the other way around, it just disappears after a while, which is a bit annoying because this way around's crap on it if you're watching it on a telly. Apparently there's 3 people here. We just need for them 3 people or them 2 other people to put a little message on there to see if I can see it. Mark's here. Greetings, Mark. How are we doing? I hope everything is well. And my battery's like literally on 20%, so this is literally going to be like 5 or 10 minutes at most. And then I'll have to turn it off before my phone explodes. Oh, police music coming. Alright, Adam, how you going? But you've had a pleasant Monday, isn't it? It's Monday today. Still Monday. We're Monday this morning. It should still be Monday now. How's everything going for everybody? Up to anything fun? See, this is the annoying thing. I don't know whether Adam and Mark you were all at the beginning when I said it, but if I have the stream this way around, the chat stays up on the screen. But if I have it landscape, it only pops up for like 5 seconds, then it buggers off again, and I can't bloody see it, which makes me very annoyed. Unexpected, Matt. Exactly. I am nothing but the unexpectable. The unexpectables. They're like the untouchables, but you can touch them. You just have to pay. You have to pay for touching them. Here we go. I've got my special streaming glasses on now, so none of the comments can get in my eyes. Oh, I'm glad you're all right, Adam. This week I am christening the week of the wheel. So this week is where I am attempting to get all 4 wheels done on Henny and back on before, well, it's going to have to be before Saturday night because I'm not here Sunday. That is true, Matt. Yeah, being just turning up unexpectedly is definitely a way of avoiding being late. Also, not getting held up in makeup and costume, was it? Yeah, thanks, Adam. Me too. I did. I don't know whether you saw the. Well, you might be able to see them behind me. They're the centre caps. That you can see there's glitter in there, but it's like all different colours. In reality, it's all different colours. So hopefully that's what they'll turn out like. So now you can't see them anymore. Matt says, makeup and wardrobe probably should have gone with hair and makeup. Well, yeah, maybe. Ooh, the tyre is probably the week of the wheel. Yeah, so I thought I'd just jump on and see what everybody were doing and just test out this portrait type. Why have I got them on? What are you doing? Come on, you're a 47-year-old man, not a 46-year-old man. Oh, thanks, Adam. Yeah, they are. It's a really good colour. It's. I didn't want it to get like a light colour, but I didn't want it to be too dark either. I think it's a good compromise. See, it's annoying because. Oh, Matt did a Facebook Live earlier. I assume there's a the punchline, not a catchphrase coming up. I hope there's a catchphrase as well. Mark says, both my cars passed the MOT on Friday. Had to fix a broken wire on the 3rd brake light on the MX-5, and Polo had not been out since Queen's funeral. Sticky hazard warning relay. till I turned on and off a few times. That's good. They're easy fixes. Matt says bloke parked his car up, walked down the hill, and climbed a 40-foot rock. So I Facebooked it. Bloke parked his car up, walked down the hill, climbed a 40-foot rock. But that was just what you put on Facebook. Okay. Adam says, yeah, looks like a good mix with nice metallic texture to them. I'm a sucker for metallics. Yeah, me too. Also, obviously, I also like white fluorescent colours as well. But enough of that nonsense. Yeah, I don't know what else to say really. I'm just about to put primer on the second wheel. In fact, let me see if I can take you outside while I do that. See if it'll let me do it. No ropes or anything. It's a place. Oh, I've got less than 20% left. No ropes or anything. It's a place called Allport Heights. There's a huge rock in the car park. Oh, we've got one of them near where I work. It's like a big rock surrounded by like rubber matting type stuff. Ugh. Or the floor's rubberized, should I say? And that's for practicing climbing and stuff. So I'm just gonna shake the pan around a bit and spray that, and then see what happens. As you can see, it's nothing but technical stuff here. Look, I can spin you around on a tripod, and you can see one that I've already primered. How cool's that? You get nothing but the best with this stream, I'm telling you. Look, I can even spin you back round again. Look, I'm in here. It's one I did earlier, exactly. Do you like my my novel idea of the bits of plastic that I spent ages cutting out some packaging a couple of years ago when I did Margaret's Wheels? Because somebody had said using playing cards you could do that, but playing cards are dead short, so I've got some bigger stuff. What else is everybody saying? I can't see. Mark says it's character building if you fell off. Matt says, stood chatting to the guy, told him I'd got 2 knackered hips and his response was to bring ropes next time and pull me to the top. Maybe don't talk to people like that. Yeah, I find people that are into rock climbing are quite... Well, I can't remember the word begins with S. I mean, it's not strong, but they are strong. Rock climbing is a good thing to get into, and you definitely have an advantage not having a belly. Oh, boobies! Maybe I'm not going to even spray this wheel. Maybe I'm just going to tease you all by standing here shaking a can for 5 minutes until my battery runs out. Maybe there'll be some bits where it looks like I'm just about to spray and then I stop and come and talk to the camera for a bit. I think potholing is something you get into. Rock climbing is something you get a grip of. Matt! And now we go around the other way. I'd probably lay that one way thicker than I would do with paint anyway, but it seems to have settled fine on that one. So I've just employed the same tactic with this one. What you need to do, Matt, I'm not very much on camera, am I? What you need to do, Matt, oh, and also exhaust, excuse the knackered door. What you need to do, Matt, is start a spreadsheet. I keep saying that about his stories and Mustard for his names that he uses at the beginning of his videos, and he starts a spreadsheet of ones he's used. There you go. I think he'll be at spoiler spraying standards soon. I think I am now, actually, to be honest. Good point, actually, Adam. See, this is great primer, but because I'm spraying onto black wheels, when I did that other one, I was like, is this even coming out? It didn't look as though it was changing colour until I looked at it outside a black one. That can has lasted, but these are new ones. There's quite a lot in them, actually. But the spray action's not very good. Like, if it's upright, it's fine, but as soon as you start tilting it down, it's a bit crap. Well, these filters, let's see if we can put a filter on while I'm waiting for you to answer. Oh, there's some crazy ones. Well, there we go, we'll use that one. No, noir. Je te roulette de noir. What's this then, says Simone. Literally, Simone, you're minus 10 seconds late. I'm just about to log off, but I've just been showing folk me painting Henny's wheels. So this week is the week of the wheel. Oh, hang on, let me go back to being normal colour again. I don't like being black and white. Here we go. This week is the week of the wheel. So my plan is before Saturday evening to have painted all 4 of Henny's wheels and got them put back on again. So I've got 2 off, and I've just put primer on both of them. But you can see the other one over there. Yeah, so hopefully by the end of the week I'll have got them all done. So because I've already primed 2 up, what time is it now? I don't even know what time it is. Probably in a couple of hours or something. Hopefully I'll be able to get some layers of paint on these tonight, actually. And then it might be a case of just in morning. Oh, in morning before work. Is that weird? Getting up super early to go and piss about with car bits before work. 8:30 already, crikey. Yeah, it's been about a couple of hours and I've been pissing about. Hopefully I can get some colour on these tonight, see how many coats I need to put on for it to get to the depth that I want. Let that dry off, and then I can put sparkle on in the morning, let that dry off, and then I can lacquer them up after work and get them put back on car, and take back ones off and start them. So I should be on track. I should be on track to get it done by, if I work as quick as I want to, Wednesday evening, but I'm not going to say that. Skick, you'll have to wait and see what colour. I've kind of done a bit of a spoiler on a previous live, but what I'm going to do is once they're all painted up, I'm not going to put them anywhere. I'm not going to put them on a video or anything, or not straight away. Not a video that says here's the wheels. I'm going to have to do a reveal video, or I'll just go to some shows and you'll have to see them live. But I'll send Simone. I'll send you a sneaky pic because I know you're not going to get to see her in the flesh for a while at least. Join me next time for another random adventure into wheel painterage, except you won't because you're not going to see the colour. Oh, I've got grey on my finger. Yeah, because you're not going to see the colour. So this will be the last one until there's a reveal video or a how-to that comes out in about 4 months' time, because I'm that far ahead with videos at the moment. So take care, everybody, and speak to you soon. Ta-ra!